Red Riding Hood with Celtic's Blade Slash!
What's happening, YouTube? It is the Celtic Hutch, and we are back with a new one. I've been away for a few months. I've been, life busy, moving places, doing stuff. So I haven't been able to do Yu-Gi-Oh in so long. I barely bought anything, but I am coming back with a few stuff. So we got 5 crossover breakers packs here, and a Supreme Darkness. I hear this ain't the best set in the world. Well, I know it's not. It's got some good, decent stuff in it. So crossover breakers are a really good set. It has all Ryzeal cards in it and shit like that. So we're gonna start with these quickly. I hope everyone is doing okay. If you have kept up with the card game or not, but here we go with Planet Pathfinder. We got the Abyss Dweller, Allure of Darkness, Dimensional Fissure. Let's do a little bit more. There we go. Toliopaic Zerabros, Topologic Bomber Dragon, sorry, Topologic Kairo Raigi Kaiva. That's a sick art. So we have a Tornado Dragon, second pack here, Time Thief, Tenyi Spirit, Ricardo Live, Malice. Oh yeah, the Malice cards are in here as well. Number 301, Reg Naziro, Genru Ryugi, Havka. Hope everyone's doing good. If you are catching this video, probably not. Drygate Wizard, Monk of Tenyi, classic card, Abyss Dweller, Binary Sources, Topologic Trizvina, Tenyi Spirit, Nahata, and another one of you. Oops, fiddly packs. Been so long, forgot how to do it. Ooh, Eaveswarm, Extinction Knight, another Dimensional Fissure, Senju of a Thousand Hands, classic, Malice, Ryzeal plugin, Tenyi Spirit, Vishidu. Ooh, got a Malice card, Malice Q Hearts Crypta. I don't know any of the prices of these. I should have checked prior, but Recode Alive, Aloof Lupin, Tenyi Spirit Ashuna, Ryugi Rising, Subdimensional Robot Galaxy Destroyer. That is a sick fucking card. Like, I love the robot looking ones. Ryzeal plugin, Malice P Cheshi Cat. So not much. I don't know, maybe the Malice card is decent, the Link one. But this is our main attraction. Should have bought a knife. Well, I do have a knife. It is a butter knife. Jesus. What is this wrapping? There we go. There we go, finally. Here is Supreme Darkness. One to add to the collection. Make sure the lighting's okay. Right. Let's get on with it. The Elemental Hero cards in here. The main box art, which I don't know what it's called. I forgot. Christian the Sulfur, Speedroid Colonel Crackers, Tempura of Fortune, Ibi, Materecta Expetor. Hey, we got the Evil Hero Dead Prison. That's a new one. Christian Inclusion, High Speedroid Glider 2, Misaguru number Mikito Saji, Misaguru Great Purification. Arcana Force 5, more Arcana Force cards. Primate Scream, Flame Coating, Christian Cluster, Thunder, Mishiguri, Double Wind, Halloween, DD Post. I like that art, it's funny. Yeah. All Evil Hero, Darkest Night, 6 Strike, Sextuple Barrage, Azamina Ashes, Athis, Evil Hero, Inferior Rider, Dark Necromancer, Beast of Tower, the Toil of the Normal, Curse of the Ancient Turtle, that's sick design. I'm gonna try and get these through quick. Zoom in a little bit. Hello, the Spirit of the Tricks, Triangle, the Dragon of the Dark Deep, Gladiator Beast, Darius, Speedroid Clear, Eclipse Twins, Light Force, Double Wind, Halloween, Rotten Phoenix. Flame Coating Metalmorph, Arcana Force 5 again, Azamina Ashes, Mega Reactor, Speedroid Wing, Synchron, Simple Spoils of the White Forest, Miscurino, Light Swarm Dragon, Shadow of the Searing Strike. Template Skipper, Temple of Fortune, Speedroid Colonial Crackers, Goddess of the Two Sides, Queen Azamina. That is a nice looking card. Misuguri Prayers, Misuguri Purification, Million Man, Delta. Let me just get these prices up. It's nice to have a little reference. I'll probably speed this up in the edit. Alright, so what we're going with is I'll go TCG Player. Because TCG Player is the easiest to maneuver. Alright. So we have Mulchami, really expensive, the QCR, the Mulchami QCR, a Bow Wow Ku, the Lightning Shadow, Primate Dragon, I mean, Evil Hero Neos Lord, Quarter Century 77, Mulchami Meows, is it? Is 59. Dead End Prison is Quarter Century Res 50. Saint Azamina. Anyway, let's get through these, sorry. Queen Azamina QCR is only 23, so it's not the most, yeah. Oh, nice Meltdown card there. Light Force, Light Swarm Dragon. I know I'm late to the party with these. These are very old by now. Oh, Fiendsmith. Rex de Mirande. I don't think that's worth anything, mate. The QCR is only worth 24. So you're really looking for the QCRs in this pack. Anything that's a QCR. Christian, Drago, Shark, Evil Hero, Performial, Rotten Phoenix, Mitsuguri, Arcana Spread. Because if the QCRs are that cheap, the Ultras are cheap too, aren't they? Christian Cluster, Hello, Spirit of Tricks, Primate Scream, Evil Hero and Fellwing, Blackfire, that's really sweet. Arcana Spread. Goddess of the Two Sides, Dark Supremacy, Flame Coated Metamorph, Grand Knight of the Red Lotus, like a Diabell. Ween, Six Strike, Tempest Skipper, Phoenix of Kyrie, Play of the Diabell, Christian Inclusion, Night Swan Dragon again, like the Diabell. It is a load of. I mean, this deck, this really isn't all that worth that much. Dead in Prison, that first card I got is $8. Azamina Ashes, Metric Zetwing, Detonating Karibo. That is cool. That was rare. We gotta get something good, man. I haven't opened packs for so long. Evil Hero, Dark Supremacy, Flaming Co, Christian Cluster, Aggro Stars, Lightning to do. Like, it'd be such good luck to get something on my first go. Templar Skipper, Mythical Curitica, Grand Knight of the Red Lotus, Gladiator Beast, Claudius, that is sick art. Misagiri, Total Normal, Play the Diabell Star, Sinful Spoils, White Forest. Speedroid, Evil Hero, Darkest Night, Primate Scream, Abyssal, the Atlantean Spirit. Nothing special. I mean, Evil Hero Neos Lord is only at $2. So I reckon this set wasn't great. Christian, Arcana Force. Dark Supremacy, Goddess of the Two Sides, Gladiator Beast, Hydrojet Shark, Evil Assault. Nothing there. We're down to the last few packs. Speedroid, Evil Hero, Zebwing, Mitsugushi Ritual, Beast of Tower. Oh, sick. Beast of Tower. Classic card. Evil Hero, Azamina Ashes, Tempura, Christian, Evil Hero, Blackwing, High Speed, Misagiri Perez, Christian, Delta. Right, we are down to 4 packs. Down to the last 4. Zetwing, Primate Scream, Spirits, Thunder, Misagiri Perez. Nothing in there. I mean, this hasn't been the best, to be honest. Gladiator Beast. Dark Contact. Fuck me. Neos. Azamina Ashes. Dragon of the Dark Deep. Six Strike. Ween. Finsmith. Kyrie. That's it. We are down to the final pack. This has not been the best of openings, I must say, on my return. Last pack. Dark Necromancer. Okay, that's it, that's over. So yeah, not the best, but I do have stuff to add to collections and all that sort of jazz. But I'm gonna bring some new stuff on the channel, anime stuff, Master Duel, all that sort of shit. So stay tuned. Stay good. See you in the next one.